guys, this is Manu Chopra here at the Wycombe site. I thought I'll give you another round of updates for where we are with it. There's been a bit of a slowdown, unfortunately, due to Christmas, but it's starting to pick up again. So where we are on the top floor flat, and you can see very clearly that finally the lights are actually going up now. So they've actually installed all the LED lights here. Probably over-spec'd a little bit. So like you can see in this one little room, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 rows times 2, so that's 12 LED lights. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of light here, and the daylight itself is quite nice. So hopefully once it's been lit up and the meters have been installed, then we can test it all, which is where we are at the electric stage. Here, finally the kitchens have been ordered, and we're expecting the kitchens to be starting installation on this Saturday. So yeah, this is pretty much where we are at for throughout the floor flat. You can see the lights in the bed, in the sort of living space as well. And the second fixed joinery has started. So you can see the skirting boards have now been started as well. Beyond that, you're going to have the door frames and the doors go on, and then so on and so forth. Let's quickly show you the bathrooms as well. Actually, I don't think this is the floor here, but I'll show you the floor that's been completed in the 2 floors as well downstairs. Here, I think we've shown the bathroom to you previously, but the lights are going up in the bathroom as well. A bit dark in there right now, but the tiles have been done. It's a beautiful luxury tile. I think it's 1.2 by 60. And we're just waiting on the rest of the bathroom fittings to turn up, hopefully later on this week, to then that continues. Let's go and have a look downstairs about what the progress has been. So yeah, let's go. This is the 1-bedroom flat, and here there's been the bathroom that's been finished up. So the tilings, the tiles have been done apart from the floor that's still left to be laid. And here you can actually see the flooring. So it's a lovely little, it's got a grey-brown finishing, it's LVT finish throughout the property. You can't see it in the dark, but if you come into this room, it's pretty much LVT flooring throughout the property. It's waterproof, it's resistant, it's hard wearing, and it's easy to be cleaned. So that's throughout the property, including the kitchen, living room spaces as well. Let's go and have a look at the next door flat. A bit dark in here, so let's go to the bedroom where there's a bit more light. You can see the flooring much better here actually with the colouring. They're actually doing the skirting boards right here in this room, so there's a bit of background noise. But yeah guys, just a quick update. We'll do more later, but I'm hoping that this progress will go down on the ground floor. At the moment, the ground floor plumbing is just completed. So they're going to get the screeding done in the next sort of week or so, and then kick off with all the second fix items in the first floor flat. Thank you.